Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, July the 12th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 puzzles left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, you are interested in a binary puzzle, a number 6744. Yeah, 6744. Before I start, I always count a printed digits. Well, this one has I believe 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column. There are always 4 O's and 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. Yeah, now. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. And now, let me think. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now. 1, oh, between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Finish in 2 minutes. Well. We solve it again. It's a quick one to solve without comparing. Yes, without comparing this one. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.